Kentucky and New Roads will battle for the Westmoreland Primary School's cricket title after both advanced to the final following a rain-affected semi-final round at Paradise Cricket Ground recently. Kentucky Primary were the first to book their place in the final after beating Broughton Primary by 10 wickets. Having restricted Broughton to 57, of which Sheldon Lawrence got 10, Ashane Foote 29 and Roxroy Beckford 20, then carried Kentucky to victory at 58 without loss. New Roads, who played Ensfield in the other semi-final, saw their game interrupted by rain. Ensfield reached a semi-final after a 7-wicket playoff win over Cornwall. Needing 72 to win, Ensfield made 73 for 3, with Thanil Coote making 24. However, it wasn't to be when a spot in the final was on the line. Batting first, New Roads posted 104 for 2 from their allotted overs, with Preston Smythe top scoring with 47. Ensfield, in their chase, reached 43 for 4 after 8 overs. With the calculators out, New Roads made progress to the final courtesy of having a faster net run rate. Coach of New Roads, Morant Porter, says his team has been improving all season.
Once we played the first match, and they were kind of skeptic, about the second game. But I talked to them and I encouraged them, and they came out there and they gave it their all because they want to make it to the finals, and that is a good feeling.
Competition chairman Colin Hitchman says having seen the competitiveness throughout the season, it shows that the return of primary school cricket was well needed in the parish.